In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add background color to frame in Figma. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and how to choose the color you want without getting lost in the interface. First, open your browser and head to Figma's website. Sign in so you land on your Figma home screen. From there, look for the All Projects view. This gives you a clear list of everything you're working on, which makes it easier to find the right file without hunting around. Go ahead and click All Projects. Next, locate the project you want to work in and click to open it. You'll be taken into the design file where you can add or edit frames. If you already have a frame you want to color, simply select it on the canvas or from the layers panel. If you don't have one yet, let's add it now. To add a frame, use the frame tool from the top toolbar or press the F key as a shortcut. You can either choose a preset size like a desktop or mobile frame, or click and drag on the canvas to draw a custom frame. Frames act like containers for your design and can hold other layers, so adding a background color here is a great way to set the tone for a screen or section. With your frame selected, look to the right side of the screen in the design panel. Find the section labeled Fill. This is where you control the background color of the selected frame. If the fill is turned off or you don't see a color chip, click the plus icon to add a fill. Make sure the frame itself, not a child layer inside it, is selected. Otherwise, you'll end up changing the wrong thing. Now click the color swatch in the fill section to open the color picker. Here you can choose a color from the spectrum, enter a hex or RGB value if you have a specific brand color, and adjust the opacity slider to make it more subtle or more bold. You'll see the frame update in real time as you choose. If your frame looks unchanged, double check that no other layer is covering it and that fill is enabled. That's it. Your frame now has a background color. This simple step helps you establish hierarchy, improve contrast for your content, and set the mood for your design. When you're happy with the result, keep designing inside the frame, knowing your background is locked in and consistent.